I haven't uploaded in a while, but I've been really busy lately, so I wasn't able to upload. But this video is gonna be your fall forecast, and this first map you see is gonna be temperature anomalies. So I expect like colder than average conditions along the northwest and the I guess upper plains, upper Midwest, maybe. I guess that's not really the Midwest, that's really the northern plains. But I expect colder than average conditions for the northwest and the northern plains. I expect above average conditions for much of the south and much of the southeast. Yes, you can see the second layer here. Alrighty. So now we're gonna go to the precipitation forecast for fall. You can expect below average precipitation kind of in the Ohio Valley, a little bit of the south, and some of the plains included. And then I expect above average precipitation for the Gulf Coast and a lot of the East Coast and some of the Mid-Atlantic coast, and also as well for the Northwest, above average precipitation. So here's going to be the overall trend. In this right here, it's going to be slightly warmer and drier. In the areas that I don't have highlighted, it's probably going to be near average. For the Gulf Coast and some of the East Coast, there could be a few tropical systems move through. We'll just have to watch that. And then for the areas highlighted in the dark blue, you can expect kind of like chillier conditions. And then for the Northwest, there could be some mountain snow this fall. And colder conditions, much colder than average is what I expect. I know everyone has their different forecasts, and I know everyone thinks differently, so this is not like definite what you're going to be seeing. This is not just like you're going to be colder than average here and hotter than average here and tropical systems here. There could not be any tropical systems move through this fall, or there could be more than we forecasted. It's really just a little bit further out, but I know it's pretty well into the fall now. But for the rest of this fall, this is what we could be seeing. I know a lot of the areas are already above average in western North Carolina and East Tennessee from Helene. And I know a lot of the areas that were impacted by Helene were above average precipitation-wise then. And I know that Helene's impacts were felt really, really bad. And I hope they recover quickly over there. I hope they can recover well. And I know Asheville, North Carolina, was hit pretty hard. And then I know there's part of the interstate washed away on the North Carolina-Tennessee border. And I know that the upstate in South Carolina here was hit pretty bad, so I just hope they recover quickly. And speaking of hurricanes, we have the National Hurricane Center here. We can see Kirk has formed. It's a Hurricane Kirk. Maximum sustained winds at 75 miles per hour. There's a 90% chance of development in the next 48 hours for this system here. It's moving off of Africa. And then there's a 40% chance in the next 7 days for this system in the Gulf. You should seek the National Hurricane Center's guidance over mine, so go check out their website for the most up-to-date information. Please do so. And I really encourage that you check multiple sources on the things I present into this video to get the most accurate information. And lastly, we have EpicPen. It's the on-screen thing I've been drawing with. You should really check them out. Consider checking out EpicPen Pro. You get all these things. You get like extra features if you do EpicPen Pro. It's only $2 a month. You get fading ink, you get more colors, you get on-screen text, you get arrows, circles, squares, lines, you get on-screen whiteboard and blackboard. You get a lot of stuff. I mean, look at all these colors you can get with EpicPen Pro. It's really good if you're considering getting an on-screen pen. You should check it out. Well, that's all I have for you in this video, so thank you for watching, and I hope everyone has a good time.